Amrita. Today's video going to be useful for you. In this video, I'm going to share you top 5 very effective homeopathic medicine for your viral fever. As you are seeing that during the rainy season, the viral infection like viral fever is a very common. Patient easily get cold, cough, fever, headache and body ache. In this video, I'm going to share you very effective and safe homeopathic medicine which are suitable for every age group patients, like for children, for adults and also for the elderly peoples. So this video is going to be very useful for you. Watch till then, stay with me. Let's get started. The video, if you haven't not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you'll get the notification of my upcoming video. Let's talk about the very effective homeopathic medicine for your viral fever. During the rainy season, there is a lots of moisture in the atmosphere, and also due to the change of weather, due to the poor immunity power of the person, people easily get the viral fever. They get cold, cough, sore throat, body ache, fever and headache. These are the some symptoms of the viral fever. Let's talk about what are the top 5 homeopathic medicine for your viral fever. First medicine will be the Eupatorium purpuratum. Eupatorium purpuratum is a very well indicated for those types of the fever where the fever is present with chills. If you feel chills with fever, and also if you have the body ache, if you have the pain at your bones, in this condition Eupatorium you can take. You have to take Eupatorium in a 30 potency, 4 drops repeated every 15 minutes for a 1 hour, and fever will subside. Next medicine will be the Belladonna. Belladonna is also very effective homeopathic medicine for the viral fever. The indication of the fever, you can take Belladonna in this such condition in which there is a sudden onset of fever. Fever is a very high grade. Along fever there is a intense headache and the face is very red. This condition you can take the Belladonna. You have to take Belladonna in a 30 potency, 4 drops, repeat every 15 minutes directly on tongue. Repeat this medication for the 1 hour and your fever will subside. Third medicine will be the Bryonia, also very effective medicine for the viral fever. The indication of the Bryonia, that there is along with fever there is a sneezing, coughing, sore throat, and also patient is a very restless and he need to take a rest, and also there's an intense desire for the cold water. Patient is a very thirsty. In this condition you can give the Bryonia. You have to take Bryonia in a 30 potency, 2 drops directly on your tongue. Repeat this medication 15 minutes for a 1 hour, and at the interval 15 minutes for 1 hour your fever will subside. Then the fourth medicine will be the Gelsemium. Gelsemium is a very effective medicine for the flu-like symptoms, like if you are suffering from cold, cough and mild grade fever. Also your fever is accompanied with lots of perspiration, there is excessive sweating. Patient feel very dullness, dizziness and drowsiness, the marked peculiar symptoms of the Gelsemium. In this condition you can use the Gelsemium. You have to take Gelsemium in a 30 potency. Doses are the same. And the last medicine will be the Russtox. Russtox is also very effective homeopathic medicine for the viral fever. It is very effective medicine for the viral fever during the rainy season. And in this the fever is accompanied with the body ache, muscle pain and pain in joints, and also stiffness is present, and also there may be the fever blisters. In this condition you can take the Russtox. You have to take Russtox in a 30 potency, repeat 4 drops directly on tongue every 15 minutes for a 1 hour. Your fever will subside. Along taking this homeopathic medicine, you have to take some precautions also. You have to take proper rest, and also you have to take plenty of water, liquid diet like soup, juice, milk, buttermilk, and also you have to avoid exertion, take rest and take this medicine. Definitely you will get very good result. So friends, this was the discussion about the viral fever. I hope you will like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.